How to fix status_bat_impersonation_level error in Windows 10. Here are some tips that may help you fix status_bat_impersonation_level error in Windows 10. 1. Get KB405740 installed through Windows Update. To get the standalone package for this update, go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website at http://catalog.update.microsoft.com/v7/site/search.aspx?q KB405740. 2. Back up your personal data, then restore your PC back to the version before installing Windows April 10, 2018 update. 3. Remove conflicting antivirus software, i.e., Sophos, Avast, Bitdefender, or Archibit, with the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide.